Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your TSA PreCheck payments with your credit card, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin restoring your TSA PreCheck payments with your credit card, first, gather your relevant account details, such as the credit card used for the original payment. Next, visit the official TSA PreCheck website. Log in to your account using your credentials. If you do not have an account yet, create one by following the prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the payment or billing section of your account. Look for options related to payment history or transaction details. Identify the TSA PreCheck payment you wish to restore. Check if there is an option to dispute or report an issue with the payment. If available, select the option to proceed with the restoration request. Fill out any required forms or fields with precise information related to the payment. Make sure to include your credit card information for verification purposes. After submitting the request, check for a confirmation message or email. It is essential to keep a record of this confirmation for future reference. If you do not receive confirmation within a few hours, follow up with TSA customer support. You may need to provide additional details during the follow-up. Ensure that you have your credit card and account information handy for a smooth communication process. Once your request is processed, you will receive an update regarding the status of your payment restoration. Keep an eye on your credit card statement to verify the restoration reflects accurately. If there are any discrepancies, contact customer support again for clarification. Restoration may take some time, so be patient as you await the final updates. Upon successful restoration, enjoy the benefits of your TSA PreCheck status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.